1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
What's up? It's me, Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is ilalagay ko yung yung LED lights ko. Kung nakita niyo yung last videos ko, yung unboxing LED lights. So ngayon is ilalagay ko yung LED lights dun sa room ko, and tara guys, let's start! Guys, yung finished product. So, nilagayan ko na. So, nalagyan ko na yung lahat. So, nakikita nyo dyan. Yan, na red yung color ng lights. Yan, ang ganda. Yan. Pretty ganda. So, this is the lights, guys. Yan. So, this is all for today's vlog, guys. And I hope you like and enjoy watching this video. And please don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe my channel. And click the notification bell for more updates and for more uploads video. Thank you for watching, guys. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!